9508 sa kaliwa. Birthday towels. Kaya cashier. Cashier ba? Freebie ba yan? May sabi.
Pero mo din. Tayo na yung buhok natin. Kanina.
Yan na sila. May laman ba to? Yay, me. Nobu Hotel Manila. So deep. Ayan o. How did you know?
Mga 40 years na to eh.
Good morning, still sleepy. Sunrise.
Lalo ang aga-aga dyan.
Magkano?
Alis mo si Japo. Ito kutsara. Dapat kinausap mo muna ako bago ka dumiretso. Training ka muna kay Leslie. Ngayon,
Masarap yung lugaw. Masarap.
yun. Tapos yun.
Kita naman ako dun eh. Ayun, sa likod. Somebody's at the fitness. The lobby's too smoky. Overall, we love the service of the hotel. We appreciated the cake and greetings for our dad. Service in general was warm. Breakfast needed improvement. Not everybody prefers Filipino breakfast, and it's disappointing to not have Western options. The pool was fun to use, but pretty cold. A warm pool option is ideal. The hotel is close to the mall for shopping and entertainment, and is very convenient overall. We love the stay at the Nobu, but we'll probably stay somewhere else at the same price point, say Hotel Okura or the Nua. I hope this video has been informative. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the other vlogs too. Stay safe and goodbye.